Hello guys and welcome back to Revision Chronicles. This is Raheem back here with another unboxing video. In today's video we are going to unbox a Casio Sheen series for women. Let's get started. Let's first see the box of the Casio Sheen. So this is a general box that we get with the Casio. The model of the watch is SH238 and its MRP for 9,995 rupees. Yeah. So this is the actual box that has a Sheen written here by Casio. Yeah. So guys, now let's quickly unbox and see the watch inside. Yeah, so this is how the watch looks like. It looks very classic and very elegant. And if you see, apart from this, what do we get? Yeah, so we have a Casio warranty card. This is this, and we also get a extended 6-month warranty. That's it. So guys, now let's have the physical overview of this watch and the specifications. The entire watch is made up of a stainless steel metal, and the dial size is 32 mm, which is an ideal for women watches. If we speak on the dial of this watch, so this dial has a date feature inside, you can see here, and it has a 3 hands, that is for hours, minutes and seconds. It has Sheen written at the 12 o'clock position. Hours and minutes hand has a lume on it, so which is a good feature to use this in the night time as well. The beauty of this watch is its dial. You can see this crystals studded on the rim of the dial, which is really an eye catchy and does the talking when you walk into a room. The bracelet of the watch is 9 mm thick, and it does look very elegant and very classy. It has a standard lock that has a Sheen written on its, and yeah, it has a normal time adjustment gear here. And if you look at the back side of the dial, it has stainless steel, and it's a water resistant up to 5 bar, and it has a Casio and Sheen branding on it. The another beautiful feature of this watch is its finishing. So this entire watch is made up of a matte finish that definitely looks great on the fair hands, and it's gonna do justice for the price that you buy. Well guys, it's a great watch to consider. This can be a party watch, and it can be a simple dress watch as well. Yeah, it can be a great option for gifting your loved ones, and if you want to gift yourself, then ladies, this is a great product for yourself as well. Well guys, this is the entire unboxing of this watch and its specifications. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to this channel. It will not only motivate me but also helps the channel to grow. And don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends and family, and comment below. Well, until then, stay home, stay safe, and keep watching Revision Chronicles. Thank you guys. Bye bye.